Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to break down the definition of Scrum. If you've ever wondered what Scrum really is and how it can help your team work more efficiently, then stick around because we're diving deep into its framework. So, what exactly is Scrum? Scrum is an agile framework designed to help teams solve complex problems and deliver high-value products in a productive and creative way. It's a framework, not a process or technique, meaning that it outlines the structure within which teams can operate, but it doesn't prescribe exactly how the work should be done. This flexibility is one of the reasons Scrum has been so widely adopted. Whether you're developing software, planning an event, or managing a marketing campaign, Scrum can fit. But the key here is that Scrum isn't a magic bullet. It's a structure that guides teams toward better results through collaboration, transparency, and adaptability. At the heart of Scrum is a concept called empiricism, a fancy term that means making decisions based on observation, evidence, and experience. Scrum believes that as you work, new information will emerge that may change your approach, and this new data should drive your decisions. This is why Scrum operates in sprints, short, time-boxed iterations, where a usable product increment is created. By the end of each sprint, teams have something tangible to inspect and adapt. This way, they can learn from what they've done and adjust their plans for the next sprint. A real-world example. Think about a team developing a mobile app. Instead of waiting 6 months to launch the entire app, they could release a basic version in the first sprint, get user feedback, and then adapt the next sprint to address the feedback. This process allows for continuous improvement, which is a huge advantage in fast-moving industries. One of the most important things to understand about Scrum is that it's designed to be lightweight. It's simple to grasp. There are just 3 roles, 5 events, and 3 artifacts. But as the creators of Scrum often point out, while it's easy to understand, it's much harder to master. Why? Because Scrum requires a cultural shift. It's not enough to follow the mechanics of Scrum like attending daily stand-ups or planning sprints. Teams must adopt an agile mindset, embracing collaboration, transparency, and continuous improvement. Without this mindset, Scrum becomes just a set of rituals without the intended impact. Remember, the Scrum Guide provides the official definition of Scrum and outlines how to implement it. If you ever find yourself confused or unsure about a part of Scrum, the guide is your go-to resource for clarity. Whether you're a developer, product owner, or Scrum Master, understanding the guide will ensure you're using Scrum effectively. And there you have it, the definition of Scrum in a nutshell. It's a flexible, powerful framework that helps teams manage complex work by promoting collaboration, transparency, and continuous improvement. In our next video, we'll be covering Scrum theory, where we dive deeper into the principles behind Scrum and why they're crucial for success. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it.